Fucking stinks. Got a Bluetooth drive shaft. It's even got the roll pan. Is that a turbocharger?
Yeah.
There you go. Must be, the smoke must be all that blow by from that turbo under that hood.
Alright, you ready to do this or what?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh yeah, you can edit it, can't you?
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Spent too much money on this old SEMA build. Suppose you're wondering how it's a SEMA build. Well, first off, got this custom lift bar here, track bar. Not to mention the spring. And then, of course of all, what really makes it a SEMA truck, there's no front drive shaft because nobody knows how to complete it.
Where's that at?
And then, second of all, they do their nice body work. We got all this spray foam up in this joint. Cans and cans. Of course, don't forget the Walmart spray paint they add to it. And this
What about those wheels?
beautiful roll pan they put on that boy. The guy must have really wanted to come in because he tried to put a bed stack in it, and well, she's a 5.9 diesel. Yeah. Overpaid for it, but whatever.
What are you gonna do with it?
Well, put some bigger stuff on it, maybe run over some stuff. Maybe daily it. Seems like she's holding together pretty tight. I think she's in her solid.
There's one bolt holding in the...
Yeah, probably just sitting in there, honestly. Yeah. Whoever engine swapped it though, has to mark every single wire. If you do that, you probably shouldn't be working on stuff. Oh, yeah.
We interrupt your brain with a gobbler alert.
Don't come here because our tack dog might get you. Definitely a show truck.
But nothing bigger.
Oh, you don't want to get me going on that. Crack-free dash.
Yeah, looks like it. The crack went on the windshield instead of the dash.
You could Baja this thing and you would be safe in here. The doors probably don't open like normal. Yeah. Bed liner. Make it look like she wasn't rusty anymore.
Somebody had a nice subsystem in here. Oh, you're ready to run over the car with it?
I don't think it will. We'll try.
Give her the speed. Make sure you turn on the 4x4. Oh, fuck.
Can I go up on it?
Yeah, it looks good. You're almost there. Hey, I think the car's winning. You're almost there.
Rubber band tires.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Definitely a SEMA build. Built for perfection.
Is it a little hard to steer?
Definitely some quality work here.
You bent your $1,000 strut.
Oh well.
Gonna have to hit up Superlift for that one.
Bender back. Damn, now I can't nail you. Oh well.
Looks like Wolverine got to her. You're shooting flames. You're shooting big ass flames. Hell yeah.
Looks like a diesel.
You ain't about the diesel life.
Reminds me of a power stroke with blowing head gasket.
More smoke
That's
than
every power stroke.
yeah. More smoke than the tires made from that Taurus. Must be the blow-by from that turbo.
Where the hell did that come from?
Oh my god. Oh, sh
That's what that is.
oh yeah. Now you did it.
Oh no, I stuck their Walmart paint job.
Oh man, gonna have to hit a Mako.
Don't forget their custom pull down.
Mako.
Yeah.
Nice.
Snap on price because it's red. I would bet, yeah.
Yeah. You almost got ran over. No content gang.
Will you see one of these make it through? Oh! He went over! Got her done. What did you do?